What is up, everybody on YouTube? It's YoManAlberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be an MJ Monday. Now, this MJ Monday is long overdue, maybe like, I don't know, 6 months or 4 months. I don't really know, but it's a long overdue video. The cool thing is, one of these are actually my size, but unfortunately, the colorway is not something I want to keep. But we'll get into that right now. But before we actually get into that, my bad, follow my Instagram at YoManAlberto to see what I'm currently posting. I do post sneakers such as this, you know, hype stuff, normal sneakers, outfits, all that good streetwear stuff on my Instagram. I do post daily, sometimes twice a day. Good content, and I think you guys would like it. But now let's get into the actual video. Sheesh! Right there, baby. You got the Union box. This is a Jordan 4. As you guys can see right here, this is a size 11. This is the black Noir colorway, which unfortunately I am not a size 11. I'm a size 9.5, so I cannot wear these. And like I said, this colorway is the best colorway of the two, personally, that I think, but it's not my size, so I can't wear it. So after you take the top off right here, you can see there is Michael Jordan right there. He is right there on the tissue paper. Now this is actually a picture taken from him on a game. I'm pretty sure that's the whole concept on it. I remember reading this or hearing about it, but I don't remember the famous picture, but there's a story behind it, so that is why it's incorporated on the tissue paper. So here's the shoe itself, the Jordan 4 Unions. This right here comes with black laces and also comes with this like goldish yellow lace, but preferably I think the black looks better, or like a different color. So boom, here is the shoe. Right there, the Jordan 4 hang tag, and that says Union on there with the Jumpman. On the back, you have the beautiful Nike Air. I love the Nike Air. And then right here, you do have the Air Jordan right here. Typically, this is actually going to be on the other side of the tongue, and it's flipped upside down. So that's part of the innovative thing about this shoe, is that it's supposed to be a little bit different from the traditional one. On top of that, this part right here, this clear part, triangle, is supposed to be cut open for the Jordan 4. That's typically how it normally is. And then right here, you have the UNLA for Union Los Angeles, the brand. Can you guys see that right there? That yellow stitching, this thread right here. There's special stitching right here that people have actually been cutting off and actually letting the tongue open all the way up. If you guys see that right there, it says Union. There's the stitching that I'm talking about, and then it has Air Jordan. This is actually really cool, but personally, if I did own these, I probably would do what everybody else has been doing and cut that stitching off and then flip the tongue all the way open. Shit, almost dropped it. Now, real quick, let's just talk about the actual materials too. Right here at the front toe box is going to be made out of suede. Right here is all going to be suede. All the way back, suede. This is going to be normal. This is just going to be your normal rubber right there. You have your normal midsole, but the midsole is actually going to be this yellow, which I personally don't think it looks fire. I'd rather replace the midsole on this one, but it is what it is. And then right here at the bottom, you have a little bit of detailing. You have black right here, and you have a little bit of blue with red right there. Then right here, you do have a little bit more suede, but this part on the actual toe box is definitely like a mesh right there. And then same right here with the blue top as well. And then as far as your knitting right here, this mesh is actually going to be the white mesh. Overall, I think this colorway is definitely better than the other colorway, but lucky for you guys, I managed to take the W on both pairs for retail. So let me show you guys the second pair. Now this one's going to be the exact same situation as far as materials and everything. The overall design, it's going to be the exact same one. The only thing that's different is the actual color. Now this one is a size 9.5. This is my true size. I could rock these. I kind of thought about it, but overall for my style, this is not something I would rock on a daily basis or often. So I was like, there's no point in me wasting this shoe on something I'm not going to even use. So I'm most likely going to trade this for another hype sneaker, because I don't want to just get money for it. I really do want to get another pair of sneakers. And I'm thinking about getting the Jordan 1 OG neutrals or neutral grays. I've been eyeing those for a while, so I might end up trading one of these for those. Obviously, these are worth a little bit more, so I really come out on top. I can't even lie. Same situation. The only difference is this is going to be white, kind of match the white laces like this one, versus the other one was black to match the black portion. You can see right here, it starts off with the white laces, which I do think the white laces look the best. I don't think the yellow gold laces will look good at all. And then right here on the back, you do have the blue and the red. And then as far as the name on these ones are called the Guavas. Now the Guavas are cool. I like the suede, the pink suede right here. It's a very light pink suede. But overall, the color scheme in general is just really horrible. I can't lie. So it's really cool that I managed to get both pair of shoes, but it's unfortunate that I can't really rock them, or I won't rock them. So, but yeah guys, there's not really much more for me to say. I've already showed you the box. I showed you both pair of shoes, and I'm not going to wear them or put them on feet, so I think this is where the video is going to end. But before it does, guys, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you guys have liked it so far. It helps other people see it in the algorithm and boosts it up. And in the comment section down below, definitely let me know what you think I should do with these, whether it's actually rocking them, selling them, or trading them, or even like just taking off the midsole and replacing them with a different midsole, because I actually can do that. And I think a midsole replacement might look kind of fire, but it's all up in the air, you know, just a thought. And for those of you that are new here, definitely subscribe. I do post Monday and Thursdays and sometimes Saturdays, and I love to see you guys here on the next video. So that's gonna do it for me, guys. I have nothing else to say, so stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out. But that's it, guys. So stay fresh. Oh shit! Shush! I dropped that trying to flex. That's why you should not flex, because you be dropping shit.